Umphakathi ubuphuphe ngobuningi ukuyoseka abasolwa phakathi kwemibandela yebheyili enqunywe enkantolo ukuthi bangazibandakanye nembhikisho yomphakathi. Ngeledlule umphakathi wase-Diepsloot wavala imigwaqo bhikishela ubugebengu obudlangile endaweni bathi bakujabulela ukudedelwa ngebheyili kwabaholi.
We are extremely happy for the leaders to come back to their people. And more happy, it means I'm going back to church now.
Sijabulile ukuthi abafana baphume. Asingeke sikwade. Sikwatela ukuthi baphume, sijabulile ukuthi baphume.
Emva kokudedelwa labaholi bakhuluma nomphakathi bagcizelela ukuthi impi izoqhubeka.
They will never destroy us. They will never distract us. We know that there's a certain MEC that was overheard in a by-election saying that is going to deal with us.
I cannot leave this place without, sending our gratitude to all political parties that supported us in this cause. I can see that the Diepsloot people are united irrespective of their political affiliations.
Siboshiwe eDiepsloot. Ngo-9 ebusuku basithatha amaphoyisa bathumela eJohn Foster. Sihlala 2 hours singanangubo. Yokulala.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala umphakathi NPA luthi liyethemba ubufakazi oluzobethula enkantolo uma sekuqulwa icala.
The docket has passed the test of prospects of a successful prosecution. So contained in the docket is information that upon which when represented in a court of law, a court could come to a conclusion that the accused before court are guilty of an offense.